Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to buy stock on the Charles Schwab app. Open the Charles Schwab app and sign in, then tap Accounts to confirm your buying power. Use the search bar to find a ticker symbol and review the quote screen for price and volume. Decide between market or limit orders, enter the share quantity, and confirm the order. I'll guide you through each screen with calm, simple steps so you feel confident. In this video, I will explain how to place an order on the Charles Schwab app. After locating your desired ticker, tap Trade and pick Buy or Sell, then choose order type like Market or Limit. Enter the exact share quantity based on your budget and verify the estimated cost shown. Check order duration such as day or GTC, then swipe or tap to submit. I'll explain each option so you can trade confidently and safely. In this video, I will help you manage orders on the Charles Schwab app. Use the Orders tab to track pending, executed, or canceled trades and tap any order to view details. If a limit order hasn't filled, you can modify price or cancel before market close. Always check your trade confirmations and account activity for accurate records. I'll walk through real examples so you understand each step and can maintain clean trade history.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.